So before we add the routes, let's do something. Let's create another controller, and this one will be for the home page. So let's call it home controller, and this controller will have only one. So we'll have only one function, and this function will return the contacts of the currently logged in user. So let's paste here. So here let's add get the contacts list of the currently logged in user. So here we need to import Inertia, and so what we will do, so we will add another folder later, and let's call it home, and inside we will have an index file, and also, as I said, we need to send the contacts. For now we will return all the contacts, and once we reach the login and the registration, so we will change this, and we will get only the list of the currently logged in user contacts. Okay, so for now let's get all, and later we will change this from the contact all to only the user's contacts, or the logged in users contacts. Okay, and also before we move to the routes, let's add also here the request. So we did not add the validation rules. So we have the first one for name, and name will be required. So what else? Let's give it max of 255. Okay, so let's do the same thing for the other fields. So we have phone, we have also the email, and email, as we have seen, so needs to be unique, and the table is contacts. And also we have the job title, same thing, and also we have the company, and also we have the country, and also so we have named phone, the email, the job title, the company, and the country. And for the country code, so we made it nullable, so we can keep it not required, because we will see that in action later. So we will do something to create the country code from the front end. Okay, so we will create it automatically, so not the user that will add the country code. So we will add it behind the scenes. Okay, so we need name, the email, the phone, job title, the company, the country, and that's all. Okay, so let's move to the update, and here do the same thing. So let's change this one to true. So let's change it to true. So let's change it to true. And also here let's add the same thing, and here we need to change. So here the email is unique, but we need to provide the field which is email, and also to concatenate it with this contact email. So when the user updates user or contact and provide the same email, so we save it. Okay, and for the other things, let's keep them as they are. So now we have the request. So next, what we need to do, so as we said, we need to move to the route. So here inside the web.php, so we need to add our routes. So the first one will be for the home page. So let's add here the home controller, and the home controller has the index method that we have created. Next, we need other routes. So this one will be get. Next one is also a get, and this one, so not a get, it's a post and get. We will have two routes, one for adding and one for displaying form to add new contact. So this one will be get request and it will take us to the contact controller. And don't forget to import the controllers here. And the method is the one that we have defined here. So this one, which is create. So this one will only display the form, okay? And we need the same thing here also, but this one will be post, okay? And let's also add here, so let's add name of the method, which is store, okay? So let's add here store. So next what we have for editing contacts. So let's copy from here and paste here and here to edit contact. So we need to provide contact that we need to edit. And also let's change this one from add to edit, okay? So next what we have here, so as I said, let's change the name of the controller here to contact. Let's remove this one. So here, as we said, so this route will display the edit form, and let's give it the method. And we have another one. This one will update. So let's change the request to put, and here let's add the update. So instead of edit, or let's change the param to be here, so to not have conflicts between the routes. And here the name of the method is update. And what else we need? We need another one for deleting. Okay, so let's delete here, or let's change the request to delete, and here delete, and also here the method. So the method is delete. Okay. So what else we need? So we'll add another routes for searching and adding contacts to favorites. So later, once we reach that. Okay, so for now, let's just keep these routes that we need. So as I said, the first one will get all the contacts. The second one for showing the form, and here for adding a new contact, and here for editing or showing the edit form, and here for updating, and here for deleting. Okay, so now we are done with the routes. So what next?